knock knock. Guess who's coming to dinner?
Ready? Yo, let's ride. Yeah.
Welcome back to Cooking with Grandma. So today we are going to be learning how to prepare ofiako in Igbo, also known as palm nut soup. Enjoy.
Fresh was have onion, have garden seven. Have an I know it alibasa. Have alibasa.
The truth is, cow feet and goat meat actually take a very long time to cook. So what Grandma did was she pre-cooked it in a pressure cooker for about 30 to 40 minutes to get it to soften a bit, so that as she's cooking, all she has to do is to steam it for just a little while. So Grandma checks and the meat is steamed the way she wants it, and she has to add water, but she decides to add the stock from the pressure cooker where she cooked the meat the first time. She then adds the palm cream to the stock and the meat. She stirs so she can have everything mixed very well. So after stirring for a while, Grandma decides to add 2.5 tablespoons of powdered pepper and also the fresh eggplant to cook for a while. So after boiling for about 5-10 minutes, Grandma checks and adds fresh pepper and stockfish to the soup. She added the stockfish late because the stockfish she had were quite broken and they are small. So if she had put this in early, everything would have scattered and it would be lost in the soup. That's why she added it a little late. She then adds 4 small Maggi cubes as seasoning to the soup to add some taste and flavor. Of course, she then stirs to have it mixed very well, then allows it to boil for some few minutes. So earlier on, Grandma took out the garden eggs, blended it together, and then she now puts the garden egg cream into the soup, and this actually helps the soup become thick. So that's how you get the thick palm nut soup. So she added a little tomatoes to the soup. This is to help the soup taste amazing and also add some little color to the soup.
Tomatoes. I'm more far, more regular. Okay. Okay, now.
Ama ofwe kwa ite nda udi yori anje wenkiri.
Oh, apple. You want to keep fufu. You want to keep rice. When you got it safe, you want to keep you want to keep Oh,
So there you have it. Grandma says you can eat your palm nut soup with banku, fufu, rice, even gari, and also if you like rice balls, you can simply enjoy your palm nut soup with any of these accompaniments. Thank you so much for clicking this video, and Grandma is gonna come back next week with another video for you to enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, because guess what? Guess who's coming to dinner? Grandma is definitely coming to dinner with you guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to turn on your notification button so that anytime she posts a video, yes, you would be the very first to be notified. Gracias.